You should go downstairs. More open area.
There it goes! Oh!
That's pretty funny.
That scared the shit out of me.
I'll do this to Bob now.
There it goes! Watch out! Oh, scratch up your tires.
Get that out of here.
Bob,
The fan.
Were you
That was
scared?
the fan affected it. That was the problem. Diabolical, Dean Stubor. I see your plan now. Wait. It's not gonna Wait. Let's fly it down the stairwell.
Alright.
Let's go.
Little helicopters! Oh! We're gonna fly it.
Take it off.
Oh. Or not. Damn it.
How about we do it in...
Water?
Well, I was gonna say like
Just
downstairs.
landed nicely.
Since there's kind of a lot of room down there.
Yeah.
There we go.
Go! Get out of the way! We're flying here! Take off! Get off the ground! Damn it! Oh, it's losing battery. Oh, that's drops. I just don't know how to charge this thing yet.